The horses are now on the track for race 7 here at AST, kicking off 20-cent jackpot high-five wagering, including a carryover pool in excess of $224,000. They'll go 6 furlongs for $7,500. Number 1 is Captain Cliff, owned by Murray Howell and Joan Wright, trained by Shelley Brown with Paul Francis. Number 2 is Just Enough Chrome, owned and trained by Marge Patterson with Kayla Pizzaro. 3 is Quest Star, owned by Sandra Lepard and Pat Wallace, trained by Marvin Buffalo with Tyrone Nelson. 4 is Southbrook, owned by Lorna Gray and Ingrid Lee, trained by Lorna Gray with Ronaldo Cumberbatch. 5 is Maybach, owned and trained by Ramey Brooks with Chris Husbands. 6, Senior Orlando, owned by Vela K. Butler, trained by Cole Bennett with Siobhan Bell. 7 is Water Runner, owned by the TG Stable, trained by Elton Dickey with Rohan Singh. 8, Jack's Back to Attack, owned and trained by Jim Donnelly with Richard Mayers. Rounding out the final field, number 9, Going Once, owned by the How Do You Like Them Apples Stable, trained by Shelley Brown with Antonio Whitehall. The 7th here at AST, post time, just 5 minutes. Jack's Back to Attack moves in. Going once from the outside of Merced. He steps up. And they're off. Slow start for Captain Cliff. Alertly from the center of the track, Water Runner out of the gate, and to no surprise, right out after the early lead. Down to the rail, Southbrook will challenge him early. Just off those, that's Senior Orlando to the far outside. Going once, back to the center of the track. Jack's Back to Attack. Shooting up the rail, that's Maybach. They've got 2 lengths on Quest Star to the outside. Just Enough Chrome, and back to the trailer, Captain Cliff. They get set to engage the far turn, and Water Runner's alone on the front end to a length and 3/4. To the outside, going once from second down to the rail, Southbrook in third. They've got 3 lengths on Maybach from fourth, trying to rally 3 wide. Jack's Back to Attack gets underway. Length now to Senior Orlando to the outside. Just Enough Chrome belatedly. They approach the head of the lane. Water Running. They're going to have to do some running to catch him. He spins out of the turn with the lead and expanding 3 lengths. Well Meant from the center of the track is going once. They're in mid-stretch, and it's all Water Runner who continues to just turn it on, accelerate, and draw away. Water Runner, a hand ride winner to the wire. Water Runner, let's call it now 7, rallying on the outside for the place position. Maybach down to the rail, going once, rounding out the superfecta. Jack's Back to Attack.
It's now 5 minutes to Crazy Hour.
Now moving into the winner's enclosure, the winner of race 7 here at AST, the winner number 7, Water Runner. Water Runner's a 4-year-old bay gelded by Midshipman out of the mare Bon Caro by Bon Point. Owned by Tom and Gail Payne's TG Stable. Trained by Elton Dickey. Ridden to victory by Rohan Singh. Seventh race is official. And ladies and gentlemen, the 20-cent Super High 5 did not go to a single winner. The carryover continues. Now $255,283. $255,283. $255,283.